Okay, so this is section 2 of the course, which is connecting your data in Tableau. And it seems like it'd be easy, but there's actually a lot of fun steps that we're going to be going through here. And these are listed here. We're going to understand the ways to connect to data. We're going to be planning and saving data sources and workbooks, choosing live or extract data sources, understanding calculations in the data source page, learn about data shaping and data quality. We'll work with the data interpreter, and we're going to learn all about using joins and blends. And that's going to be pretty advanced topics, but I think you all are going to be ready for it. This is the hands-on course, so it makes sense to really get into it more. This one's going to be about understanding ways to connect to data. And we're going to talk about the data connection page. When you open Tableau Desktop, we're going to connect to a desktop sources, and then we're going to discuss other ways to do connections. Let's go ahead and open our Tableau desktop file. And then I want to just show you here on the left-hand side, we have the desktop type files that you can open. Excel, a text file which includes comma, separated values, JSON, which I don't actually know what that is. Microsoft Access, PDFs, which is interesting. Spatial files, we're going to get into that a lot when we do mapping. Statistical files, and more. We also have the server stuff, and then we have saved data sources. So if you click on more in the file section, it brings up the standard dialog box, and you can see the various types of files that are available there. And you can actually see some of these files that we're going to be talking about over time. Now, when we click on server, this is what's going to be cool, is the sheer volume of files that you can open. I mean, QuickBooks, which is incredible that they offer a version for QuickBooks, but also some of the really great cloud services like Dropbox, Box, Google Sheets, OneDrive. I'm just looking at the others to see if I missed anyone here, but those are the big ones. I'm sure there are plenty of others that I'm seeing here, but what's cool is that you have these automatic, very easy to use connections that you can just pull up. Those are considered server, but in fact, I use Box and Dropbox and stuff like that as mainly sort of cloud hard drives. So those are really files. Actually, even if it's not listed, you can always do an ODBC connection to many other types of files. What I do at work, what I use almost all the time is Oracle, and I use Tableau Server and Box, but I also use a lot of Excel, Access, and text files. So there's a lot of variety that I use, and I could bring them all into one place, which we're going to talk about later in the section. So now let's go ahead and see what we could do. Here at the bottom, by the way, are saved data sources. Those are Excel files right here that are saved data sources. These are actually templates of actual visualizations, and we'll be replicating some of those from scratch in the future, but you're welcome, of course, to just check them out. In the meantime, so let's go ahead and open a Microsoft Excel file. In your folder, it should have available what's called Global Superstore. We're not going to do anything with it. I'm just going to open it. So when I click on that, it will automatically show the 3 sheets that are associated with the Global Superstore. Depending on the size of your power of your computer, it may take a few seconds or not. But here we can see it's very nicely organized, that there are 3 sheets, and all you have to do is just drag them over to drag sheets here, and then it is going to appear down here. So I'm just taking the mouse and just dragging it here. You could do that for any of them. Let's go ahead and do it for orders. And when we do that, what's going to happen is below we are going to see data. All of this awesome data is going to be down here that you can look at and evaluate. And this allows really easy manipulation. And when you're done, and we're not going to do that here, but when you're done, all you have to do is click on Sheet 1. And when you click on Sheet 1, you will be able to start generating visualizations. We're going to get that done a lot in section 3, but you're welcome to try here. And you can see all of the data right there.